My name is Ashok Reddy from Gopal Systems. Today I am going to explain about Trace My Vehicle. This is GPS based real time tracking system. In this we have basic device. I am going to open this one. In this menu card will be there. This is menu card. In this how to installation procedure will be there. What is how to install to the what are all the advantages, what are the cables. See, this is one accessories and relays, all how we have to connect to the vehicle, this device, everything it is explained here. What is how to insert SIM card and how to install to the vehicle, SOS button, importance of the SOS button, in detail of it has explained in detail of wiring, what is meaning by red color and black color, orange color, yellow color, and here connection diagram also there. Here this is warranty card also. Here it is 1 year warranty. And this is the device, GPS tracker. This tracker is having inbuilt battery, and this is the SIM slot. Here we have to insert SIM. This SIM card is required, GPRS enabled SIM card is required to track. This is upside, if you see here. This is coming to this wires point of view. Here 4 wire socket is there. This black color we have to, while connecting to this one too, we can use it for any bikes, any type of vehicle, either it may be a bike, lorries, cabs and cars, personal use or any purpose we can use it, this one. Here this is the one is it will go to the battery negative, black one. It means that grounding. This is positive red wire, and here this is this orange will go to the ignition, and this one is for relay purpose. This is having relay, SOS button also there, SOS connection, it will goes to SOS connection, and this one it will goes to the mic. Here if you connect to the power supply, it means that battery positive and negative, and this is the basic device. We can, by using this one, we can track the real-time vehicle location and ignition on and off timings also we can track by using this one. Once you connect to this device to your vehicle by giving battery positive, negative and ignition on, and here 2 lights will blink. One is yellow light and red color light, and here we have to insert one SIM card which is having GPRS enabled. By using this GPRS enabled, we can get it data to our servers. After connecting to your vehicle, in my website tracemyvehicle.com is our website. In that website we are going to give you one user ID password to you. By using that user ID password, you can track your vehicle location and distance reports and geofencing alerts and overspeed alerts, and these are all the alerts. Every day we are sending you summary reports also. See, this is the one type of device. We have another type of devices also. This is manufactured in Hyderabad itself, and this one, by using this one, if any power disconnection happen, if somebody has removed from your vehicle, it will send you message saying that power disconnection happened. And at the same time you can by using geofencing alerts, if you want to make it, say to your driver, don't go beyond this particular location. That particular location you can, by using your user ID password, you can make boundaries in our website. Once it crosses that boundary, you will receive one message saying that look, if it is Kondapur, if you make one boundary to Kondapur, once it crosses to Kondapur, it will send you a message saying that what is the speed and when it has crossed, and when it enters also you will receive message saying that. This geofencing alert, you can use it n number of purposes, like if it is a school bus, you can make use of this one to school bus also. Like student numbers, you see if that bus is passing to 10 bus stops, each bus stop you can make boundaries by using geofence. Once it reaches to that boundary, automatically who are all people are there to get into the bus, those people will receive message saying that bus is entered in that boundary. Once it crosses that boundary, also you will receive message like that. If it is a personal vehicle, if your driver, you told that to your driver, drop your child to school, and if you draw a boundary to path to your school also, then driver, if he crosses that boundary, you will receive message, and when he dropped your child to school also, you will receive message.